Hi, I'm James with Tornado, and today we're going to introduce you to the BDSO 2728 stand-on auto scrubber. So why the BDSO 2728? Because it was built for any environment, from education to healthcare to industrial. This machine was designed with the durability and productivity to clean them all. Let's talk about durability first. Built on an all-steel frame, maintaining a structural integrity throughout the life of the machine. A powerful 0.7 horsepower front drive motor capable of climbing almost any cleanable sole. An all-steel brush deck that not only protects the brush motors, but also creates one of the highest down pressure ratings available today. One last thing, an all-steel squeegee assembly providing consistent floor contact and guaranteeing maximum water recovery. Now let's cover some of the unique features of the BDSO 2728. We have a large operator platform, comfortably accommodating from your smallest operator to your largest operator. The platform provides a cocoon of safety for the operator. Fill ports located at the rear and the front of the machine allow for filling of the clean water from any position. Draining the BDSO 2728 is easy. The machine drains from the hose situated right here. Cleaning the recovery tank is simple. Just open the slit and now you have access to the complete tank. The upper tank is equipped with a gas shock that props the tank in place, keeping the operator safe. The BDSO 2728 also comes standard with an onboard charger that allows for charging away from the storage area. Okay, so let's operate this machine. First, step up onto the platform. By the way, you must be on the platform in order for this machine to operate. Get comfortable in the cocoon of safety, leaving your right foot off of the throttle pedal until you are prepared to move. Turn the key switch to on. Set your desired travel direction and travel speed. Now set your desired water level. Test your horn. The touch panel allows you to control the various functions of the machine, including your vacuum, your brushes, down pressure, water on off, and the squeegee up and down. But for the ease of operation, we offer One-Touch Cleaning by simply pushing the auto button. Now you know everything you need to know about the BDSO 2728 stand-on scrubber, and you're ready to clean like a tornado.